Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to use Zotero in Google Docs 2025. If you're a student, researcher, or anyone dealing with citations, this is a game changer. Zotero is a free, open-source tool that helps you organize references, and integrating it with Google Docs makes adding citations a breeze. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Zotero installed on your computer. Head over to the Zotero website, download it for free, and create an account if you haven't already. Once that's done, you'll need the Zotero connector for your browser. It's available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. This little extension lets you save references from websites directly into Zotero. Now, for the Google Docs magic. Open Google Docs and go to the Add-ons menu by clicking on Extensions, then Add-ons. Search for Zotero and install the official Zotero add-on. After installation, you'll see a Zotero icon in your Google Docs toolbar. To add a citation, select the spot in your document where you want it. Click the Zotero icon, and a sidebar will pop up showing your Zotero library. Browse or search for the reference you need, select it, and choose your citation style, like APA, MLA, or Chicago. Hit Insert Citation, and voila, it's added instantly with the correct formatting. One cool feature in 2025 is the improved syncing. Zotero now integrates seamlessly with Google Docs real-time collaboration, so multiple people can work on a document without citation conflicts. Plus, you can generate a full bibliography at the end with just a couple of clicks. If you run into issues, double-check that you're logged into Zotero and that your browser extensions are enabled. Remember, keeping your Zotero library organized will save you tons of time. There you have it. Using Zotero in Google Docs is straightforward and super efficient. It streamlines your writing process and ensures your references are spot on. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.